Okay, this tutorial is about how to change the hard drive of a virtual computer inside Hyper-V. So to change the hard drive of this Windows 7 virtual computer, first make sure that the state is off, and after you click on that computer, down here it appears the properties of that computer, and make sure it's turned off. After it's turned off, right click on it and click settings and look for hard drive at IDE controller and virtual hard disk. Here's the path. Let's click browse to go to another hard drive. Choose the hard drive that you want, click open, click apply, and that's it. You can use the new computer. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.